Well guys, as I was editing this video together, I realized that my iCloud will not, for some reason, allow me to download the videos that Nico took grinding. So I apologize, that intro where I said that there was going to be some grinding that you're going to see in a second because there's other parts of it that are important to the video. It's not happening. There's 8 minutes of video that I cannot seem to get to download from my iCloud. So I'll try it at a different date. It'll be one of those outtakes things. Sorry, guys. All right, guys. So this is just a quick little video. It's stuff that Nico shot the other day while I was grinding. Hang on a second. What is going on with this? There we go. So Nico shot some stuff for me while I was doing some work. Today's stuff that I'm going to be doing, like work stuff, I'm just doing some packing today, shipping and packing, so that you guys know. Everything in this box has got to go because it's finished. And this stuff is all going to go today. And the stuff on the kitchen counter, which for some reason the gimbal does not want to play nicely. There's a couple boxes out there on the kitchen counter that are going to go, but they still need some touch up. So guys, the reason I'm doing this and telling you is because, the reason I'm letting you guys know is there's not going to be any work this weekend. There's going to be, the next video you guys see is probably going to be, if I have time, I've got a video I wanted to do about a couple small things. I wanted to revisit the crux and stuff like that, but I'm just putting this up just to let you guys know. It's going to be a test of my new phones, whether it's a thing with my signal or if it was an issue with my old phone about getting videos loaded. And like I said, I just want to let you guys know, next weekend I'm going to be at Blade Show. So next week is going to be a prep week. There's going to be a lot of stuff. I'm not going to take any of the knives I made. I don't have a table. I'm not taking stones. So in lieu of that, I'm going to sharpen a bunch of my own knives that usually don't get touched up and take them with me to kind of showcase. I have a few knives that are really sharp, but I also want to do a bunch of anodizing and things. I might do something crazy on this coming week. I've got a couple other knives that need anodized and things like that, but I want to get all that done so that I have something to take with me and show. And I have a knife that came from one of my Patreon subscribers, one of my patrons, that is a really nice knife, and I just have not gotten around to doing a video on it yet. It's been here for like 2 weeks, and it's just the stuff, the videos you guys are seeing are things that I want to do and just had gotten backlog because I was sick and stuff like that. So, all right. And on top of that, I got to order, I broke my 600 grit stone. So I have a 600 grit stone, but it's not, I got to do some work to it and flatten it and take out some chips and nicks and things like that. So it's an unbacked, and it's a different kind of stone. It's a bench stone that I never use. So there's that, guys. Like I said, just a quick video. I wanted to give you guys a heads up what's going on. I might shoot a video today, but I definitely be shooting a video this weekend, spending time, daddy-daughter, ice skating competition. So just be warned that that's coming. All right, guys, take it easy, and I'll talk to you next time.